Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen storage and cooking experience, the CAROTE 10-piece stainless steel cookware set with a detachable handle. If you've ever struggled with overflowing cabinets or wished your pots and pans could do double duty from stovetop to table, then stick around, because this set might just be the answer you're looking for. The headline feature here is undoubtedly the space-saving stackable design. CAROTE claims this set can save up to 70% of your cabinet space, and when you see how these pieces nest together with the detachable handles, it's easy to believe. The handles click on and off with a satisfying firmness, and when removed, the pots and pans stack neatly like a compact stockpot. This is a game-changer for smaller kitchens, apartments, RVs, or simply for anyone who values an organized living space. The ingenuity here is in making everyday cookware truly disappear when not in use. Beyond storage, the versatility is another major selling point. These pieces are oven-safe up to a remarkable 600 degrees Fahrenheit with the handles removed. This means you can start a meal on the stovetop, finish it in the oven, and then directly serve it from the oven to your table, all without needing to transfer food to a separate baking dish. This oven-to-table, or even stovetop-to-fridge functionality, streamlines the entire cooking process and minimizes washing up. Speaking of washing up, CAROTE highlights that this set is dishwasher safe. The mirror-polished stainless steel is designed to resist stains, and the rivet-free interior is a thoughtful touch. This means no more food getting stuck in those annoying little nooks and crannies, making cleaning genuinely hassle-free. This is crucial for busy individuals who want quality cookware that doesn't demand excessive time for maintenance. The aesthetic appeal is also not overlooked. These detachable handles don't just serve a practical purpose, they also allow the cookware to transform into elegant serving dishes. Imagine cooking a beautiful risotto or a hearty stew, then detaching the handles and placing the pot directly on your dining table. The flared rims on the pans are another subtle but important detail, designed to ensure drip-free pouring, which contributes to a more polished and elegant presentation at mealtime. From a safety and material standpoint, CAROTE emphasizes premium food-grade quality. The set is constructed from 18/8 stainless steel, and is free from PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS. This non-toxic material is certified for daily cooking, giving you peace of mind. The full tri-ply clad construction, extending from the base all the way to the rim, is key to even heating. This construction method is known for preventing warping and eliminating those frustrating hot spots that can lead to unevenly cooked food. The result is a more consistent cooking experience and more reliable results. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are significant. The space-saving aspect is truly innovative and a major advantage for many. The oven-to-table versatility is incredibly practical, reducing steps and dishes. The ease of cleaning, thanks to the dishwasher-safe nature and rivet-free interior, is a huge plus. The elegant serving potential adds a touch of sophistication to everyday meals. And of course, the premium food-grade safety and the even heating provided by the tri-ply construction are essential for any serious home cook. The wood grain handles, while not a performance feature, add a nice visual touch that complements modern kitchens. On the con side, while the detachable handles are a brilliant concept, the process of attaching and detaching them, while generally smooth, might take a moment to get used to. Some users might also prefer cookware with permanently attached handles for a certain tactile feel or perceived sturdiness, although these handles do feel quite secure when locked in place. The 10-piece set includes a good variety, but depending on your cooking habits, you might find yourself wishing for a slightly larger or smaller piece in the mix. Finally, while the stainless steel is durable, it will require proper care to maintain its mirror polish over time, as with any stainless steel cookware. In conclusion, the CAROTE 10-piece stainless steel cookware set with detachable handle offers a compelling blend of innovation, functionality, and style. If you're looking to maximize your kitchen space, simplify your cooking workflow, and present your food elegantly, this set is definitely worth considering. It's particularly well suited for those with smaller kitchens or who are constantly on the move, like RV enthusiasts. The thoughtful design, combined with robust construction and safety features, makes it a strong contender in the competitive cookware market. Link in the description.